Scaling and next steps. So how to scale your business and what are the next steps? By now, you have your Shopify store set up and running. So you're getting some traffic and you're getting some sales. And the first thing you need to do is have a set of KPIs, or the most important business metrics in your shop that you will be following daily, weekly, or monthly. The most important KPI that we always recommend you have for your shop is profits. So not revenue, not sales, no nothing but profits. So that means what you sold minus what are the total cost of that purchase. Oh, here are a few other KPIs that we recommend you track. CAC, or the customer acquisition cost. That means how much money did you spend in total to get a customer to purchase for the first time. This is not something you can effectively measure directly in Shopify, but it is very important to measure it. Average order value, or the average amount spent by customers per transaction. This can be tracked by default in Shopify. You can find it in the analytics dashboard, and it's very easy to be tracking that. Another one is customer lifetime value, or how much the customer spends with you in total with all of the purchases that they make in their lifetime as your customer. This also isn't directly available to you in the Shopify dashboard, but you can track this manually, or you can find other tools to help you with that. So by thinking long term, profitability is always the goal of your business. So track your KPI metrics, work on them constantly to decrease expenditure and increase revenue. And having your own shop requires a different way of thinking, a different mental model about how you perceive your customer. Right now, you're building a brand, you're building a long-term communication channel with your end customer, and you want to sell them multiple times, and you want them to be coming back to you. In order to do that, you need to be selling good products. You need to have a good product market fit. You need to have good support, and you need to offer a variety of products that can constantly be upsold to your customers, so they come back to you to buy more and to buy different. Of course, it also helps if you're selling goods that are consumed, so naturally people need to buy more. So this is really important because the customer acquisition cost you'll be paying only once, and now you can use that customer to sell to them more directly. And because it is much more efficient and cost effective to acquire a customer once and to sell to this customer going long term, you should be focusing on maintaining that relationship and getting that customer to come back to you over and over again. So remember, if a customer buys from you once, you have a sale. But if that customers buy from you multiple times, you have a business. This is just covering the foundation of the systems that you will be applying to your business. If you're ready to turn your store into a scalable, profitable business, you've already made the first step. And to help you with that further, we're making a much longer and in-depth course going into the details of all the topics that we covered today and more. So if you want to make a real difference, take a look at the advanced course, or just get in touch with us, and we'll help you set up, scale, or solve any problem that you might have in your online business. Thank you.